because Bafana, I believe Bafana has capacity to win the AFCON. Bafana has capacity to win the AFCON. I do not see any team that plays better football than Bafana currently with Africa entirely. I do not see a team that is playing good football as Bafana. I repeat that, in Africa entirely. I don't care if you bring Egypt, you bring Morocco, you bring Algeria, we're going to beat them. So we need to win AFCON and also go to the World Cup and pass the group stages and see how far we can go. If we can make it at least to quarterfinal, that will be a great achievement for our boys. And also that will bring eyeballs to Betway Premiership, because we have a lot of talent in Betway Premiership. And if you also watch ETDC, there's a lot of talent with ETDC. And I'm surprised why some of those players are still playing it with ETDC and are not with Betway Premiership, because they are so excellent. Week in, week out, they're bringing in A+ performances, but they are still in TDC. I'm hoping that soon some of those players are going to get their breakthrough because they are very, very excellent. But I wanted to actually say, Kuma players repair basically. Keep your head high, boys. You fought a good fight, but it wasn't to be. We as Amapagania, we are proud of you, and we will rally behind you on every domestic competition that we are out to play this season, and we will be there to support you in each and every game to ensure that you got our full support. But what you need to do is to bring the same energy, the same attitude, the same aggression, the same teamwork, the same dominance to ensure that you win everything that is behind you, that is before you. Hard luck, Mapagania. Good luck in your future endeavors. Yadle miyam.